Hello, hi, a very happy good evening. So this is Krishnaveni and we've been talking about the story of life on earth, and that's biology. Yes, welcome to my Menti. This is Guess the Chapter. So we are in season 1 and this is episode 9. So have you guessed the chapter? Yes? Okay, so here we go. So let's discover what the chapter is, so what the suspense is. So come on, quickly, please do like, share and subscribe the session. So the Menti code is 62101384. Once again, the Menti code is 62101384. Come on guys, make it quick. The quicker you join, the quicker we finish. And I also have one interesting announcement to make. So there aren't many leaderboards, so I have only 4 leaderboards. After every 5 questions, you have a leaderboard. Okay, so this saves time, so we can finish off the Menti pretty quickly. Yes, Antonia B, a very happy good evening. Yes, Prince, happy good evening. So thank you so much for joining my lecture today. So please do like, share and subscribe. Yes, come on, make it quick. Yes, Swami, a very happy good evening. Thank you for joining my Menti. So the Menti code is 62101384. Okay, that B is you. Okay, Prince, fine. Difference between centrosome and centromere. So centromere is the one that is present in between the 2 chromatids, the one which holds the chromatids together in a chromosome. Centrosome is the one that consists of centrioles that pulls the chromosome apart. Okay, Anthony? Yes? So hi Kathy, so how are you? Thank you for joining my Menti today. So come on, quickly join the Menti. So the Menti code is 62101384. Yes, you're right. Come on, quick. Yes, have you joined the Menti? Can I start? So 62101384 is the Menti code. Yes, done? Can I start the Menti? It's 6:35. So after every 5 questions is when you will get the leaderboard. So you will not get the leaderboard after every question. Done? Can we begin? Yes, please send me a thumbs up if you have joined. I can wait 1 more minute. Come on, quickly join the Menti. So have you guessed the chapter? So what do you think? Which class it will be from? Which unit it will be from? Yes, any guesses? So guys, please do like, share and subscribe. Please make it quick. Yes, done joining? Okay, yes, thank you Veera Shanmugam for joining my Menti. So that's really great of you. So please do like, share and subscribe. So here I begin the Menti. With no further delay, we go and play season 1 and episode 9. One of the earliest experiments on photosynthesis was done in 1770 by Joseph Priestley. He demonstrated that sun is the ultimate source of energy, water is essential for life, plants and animals restore the air for each other, chlorophyll captures light energy. Yes, quick. Class 12 maybe. Okay. Hi Dharni. Yes, a very happy good evening. That's okay, fine. Thank you for joining my Menti. Yes, what was the answer? Okay, so the chapter, have you guessed? Okay, Joseph Priestley discovered that plants and animals restore the air for each other. Okay, yes, so option C is the right answer. Okay, that's fine, Dharni. So please take care. Yes, did you guess the chapter, guys? Yes? So here I go to question 2. Ready? All right. So question 2 of 20. Electrons are picked up by an electron acceptor which passes them to an electron transport system consisting of phytochrome, cytochrome, Z-skin, redox potential scale. So electrons are passed to an electron transport system which consists of, so they are asking ETS consists of which one? Yes, quick. It's a very easy question. So have you guessed the chapter? Yes? Well, the answer is cytochrome. So ETS consists of cytochrome complex, cytochrome B to BF, right? Yes, so it is option B. Okay, so have you guessed the chapter? Yes? Yes, Shubham sir, hello, hi. So thank you for joining a Menti today. So please do like, share and subscribe. So Jessica, how to join quiz? So please go to menti.com and please type in a name for yourself. So pick out a symbol, then type in the Menti code 62101384 to join the Menti. Okay? Yes? Yes, the chapter is photosynthesis in plants. Absolutely right. So that was a good guess. So 2 questions are done. So here we move forward with the next question. So question number 3. So question 3 of 20. The chemiosmotic mechanism mediates ATP synthesis, splitting of water, reduction of NADP+, flow of electrons from PS2 to PS1. Yes, so chemiosmotic hyposynthesis mediates what? Okay, the Menti code is 62101384. 62101384. Yes, so chemiosmotic mechanism, which talks about the H plus gradient, tells that the breakdown of the gradient gives you photosynthesis. So it mediates ATP synthesis. That is absolutely right. So very good. So here I move forward to question number 4. Yes. So question 4. ATP synthesis in photosynthesis involves establishment of a proton gradient, oxidation of water, reduction of NADP+, flow of electrons. So I am talking about ATP synthesis in photosynthesis. Yes, quick. Yes, done answering. Yes, done answering. ATP synthesis in photosynthesis involves the establishment of a proton gradient. So just now we spoke about your chemiosmotic hypothesis, right? So where it mediates ATP synthesis by the formation of a H plus gradient. So here the right answer is H plus gradient. Okay. So here we go to question 5, after which you will have the leaderboard. So question number 5 of 20. So here we go. The total requirement of ATP and NADH for each molecule of carbon dioxide fixed and reduced in photosynthesis in the Calvin cycle. So in Calvin cycle, how many ATP and how many NADPH are produced? Yes, quick. Yes. I have the simplest question. There is no confusing question. Okay, you got confused. All right, Anthony B, that's fine. Yes, so you have 3 ATP and 2 NADH. That is absolutely right. Yes, well played. So ready for the leaderboard? Yes. So leaderboard for the first time in the evening. So here we go. So let's see how many of you are there. So yes, Bikash. So thank you for playing my Menti faithfully. So please do like, share and subscribe. Okay, so Archana is fastest and on top. So that was a brilliant play. So next in line is Grace. Then I have Bikash, so I have Jersey number 1. Okay, whoever you are, thank you for playing my Menti. So Hola Hope, so Satvika, hello, hi, I hope you're doing good. So thank you for joining my Menti. So Veera Shanmugam, so Shakura, Beyonce and Ashwata, yes, welcome to the leaderboard and thank you for playing my Menti. Here I move to question number 6. So question 6 of 20, so please play with a lot of concentration. Fixation of carbon dioxide molecule through Hatch and Slack pathway requires an enzyme called as pepcase, Rubisco, RUBP carboxylase, oxygenase. Okay, so Jersey is Vishal. Okay, Vishal, fine. Yes. Question number 6, done answering. So Hatch and Slack pathway is your C4 pathway. Yes, what is the enzyme? Yes, that is pepcase. That is absolutely right. Okay, perfect. So here I move to question number 7. So question 7 for the evening. So ready? Here we go. Bundle sheet cells are rich in Rubisco, are rich in PEP carboxylase, lack Rubisco, lack both Rubisco and PEP carboxylase. It's a pretty straightforward question. So bundle sheet cells come in your C4 plants. So they are rich in Rubisco, are rich in pepcase, lack Rubisco, lack both Rubisco and PEP carboxylase. Yes, what is your answer? Okay, so they are rich in Rubisco because your mesophyll cells is where your C4 pathway starts with, right? They do not have Rubisco, that's why they go forward with your pepcase. Yes, the right answer is option A. That's absolutely brilliant. So here I move to question number 8. So question 8 of 20. Which of the following statement is incorrect? This question has 25 seconds, so please take your time to read. So photosystem 1 receives electrons from photosystem 2. I want the incorrect statement. Photosystem 2 receives electrons from photolytic disassociation of water. Formation of NADPH is associated with photosystem 2. Reaction center of PS1 is P700 nanometer. Oh, Antonia B, so which means you cannot continue with us? Yes, so I want the incorrect statement. Why so much of confusion? Yes? Why so much of confusion? Yes, so I have a variety of answers. I wanted the incorrect statement. So PS1 does not receive electrons from PS2. It receives electrons from plastoquinone, right? So first option, first statement was incorrect. Okay, so here I move forward to question number 9 of 20. Yes, here we go. That's fine, Antonia B. So try answering if you can. Otherwise, so which of the following statement is or are correct about Rubisco? It catalyzes the fixation of carbon dioxide. It has oxygenation and carboxylation both activity. It is the most abundant protein on earth, and all of the above. Yes, which is the right answer? Make it quick. Okay, Antonia B, that's fine. Yes, it's a straightforward question. It has no twists and turns. Yes, all of the above is absolutely the right answer. So majority of you have given me the right answer. So perfect. Okay. So question 10, after which you will have the leaderboard. So here we go. Question number 10. Ready? Yes. So here we go. Which of the following is incorrectly matched? Sorghum, Kranz anatomy. So PS2, P700, photorespiration, C3 plants, PEP carboxylase, mesophyll cells. Yes. Which of the following is incorrectly matched? Sorghum, Kranz anatomy, PS2, P700, photorespiration, C3 plants. Yes? Yes. So PS2 has a reaction center of P680 nanometer, not P700 nanometer. So perfect. So let's look at the leaderboard for the second time in the evening. Okay, so Dr. Shakshi is here. So yes, welcome and thank you for joining my mentee. Okay, so Prince, where are you? Okay, so Archana is still on top. So fantastic. So Ashwata is fastest. Good. So Bikash is next in line. Then we have Satvika, Veera Shanmugam, Dr. Kathy, Dr. Shakshi, Grace, Hola Hope, and then I have Vishal. Very good. Okay. So here I move forward to question number 11. Yes, thank God. Yes, question 11 of 20. So here we go. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Once again, C3 plant maize, C4 Kranz anatomy, Calvin cycle PGA, Hatch and Slack pathway oxaloacetic acid. So which one of the following is not correctly matched? So C3 plant is maize, C4 plant has Kranz anatomy, Calvin cycle is PGA, Hatch and Slack pathway oxaloacetic acid. Yes, which one is incorrectly matched? Absolutely right. So maize is a C4 plant and it's not a C3 plant. Good. So here we move to question number 12 of 20. Ready? Yes. Here we move. So chloroplasts are disrupted and the stroma is separated from the lamella. The isolated stroma will fix carbon dioxide if it is supplied with carbon dioxide, Rubisco, light, ATP plus NADPH. So the chloroplast is disturbed and the chroma is separated from its lamella. Okay, the isolated stroma will fix carbon dioxide if it is supplied with which of the following? Absolutely right, because stroma needs the products of light reaction. Good. So majority of you have given me the right answer. So shall we go forward? Yes, ma'am. A very, very happy good evening. So thank you for joining our mentee today. So please do like, share and subscribe. So here we go to question 13 of 20. Yes, ready? To make 100 molecules of glucose, how many molecules of ATP and NADPH are required? So this is photosynthesis in higher plants chapter, not respiration chapter. So how to make 100 molecules of glucose? I want to make glucose. So how much of ATP and NADPH are needed? So this follows Calvin cycle. So I have 3 ATP and and 2 NADPH, that is for 1 molecule of carbon dioxide. So 6 molecules of carbon dioxide gives me 1 molecule of glucose. So it's 6 into 3, 18 ATP, and 6 into 2, 12 NADPH for 1 molecule of glucose. Thus for 100 molecules it is 1800 ATP and 1200 NADH. How D? It is A. So I guess Vishal said D for the previous question, I am not sure. So this is A, okay? Yes? Fine. So here we go to question number 14 of 20. Yes, ready? The correct sequence of Calvin cycle is, so there are only 3 steps, right? So decarboxylation, oxidation, regeneration. It happens in which order? Yes, quick. It happens in which order? Yes. Done. It's a straightforward question. Again, there are no twists and turns. Yes, it's carboxylation, reduction and regeneration. Okay, I guess option C and D were the same, right? Yes, were there any difference? Let's look into the question again. Okay, I cannot look into the question. So I guess option 3, yes, it was the same option, yes. So which means then both the options are right. So I should have made a mistake. So I'm extremely sorry for this. It is carboxylation, reduction and regeneration. So both the options were same. Yes, I'm really sorry. So maybe I would have done a typo error. I'm really sorry. Yes, Tarun, hello, hi. So thank you for joining my lecture. So here we go with question number 15. Yes. So during monsoon, the rice crop of the eastern states of India shows lesser yield due to the limiting factor of carbon dioxide, light, temperature, water. Yes, during monsoon, the rice crop of the eastern state of India shows lesser yield due to the limiting factor of what? Yes, quick, guys, please do like the session. Okay, the right answer is light. During monsoon, you have less light and light is an important limiting factor compared to temperature. So the right answer is light. So here we go for the leaderboard for the 3rd time in the evening. Yes, ready? So there's no one new on the leaderboard, so the same set of students, but I'm really sorry for that question. So both the options were right. I'm really sorry. Okay, so Bikash is on top, so that's fantastic. So Veera Shanmugam is fastest, pretty good, very good. So here I go to question number 16. So question 16 of 20. What will happen if the supply of oxygen is decreased to an illuminated wheat plant? Okay, its photosynthesis would decrease, its respiration process would stop, and all physiological process would stop, its photosynthesis would increase. So if I stop the supply of oxygen to a well lighted wheat plant, so what will happen? Yes, its photosynthesis would increase, right? Why would it decrease? Yes. So for the process of photosynthesis, do you need oxygen? Yes. Do you need oxygen? Yes. So please understand the logic behind. So option D is the right answer. Okay, so here we move forward to question number 17. So the last 4 questions, so please pay attention. Here we go to question 17. The electrons that are released by the photolysis of water during non-cyclic photophosphorylation ultimately ends up in glucose, ATP, water, NADPH. The electrons that are released by the photolysis of water, where does it ultimately go or what does it finally lead to? Yes? Okay, again I have a mix of answer. Yes, it will finally end up in your NADPH because they need these electrons, right? They are being carried. Yes, perfect. So this is NADPH. So please link the concepts. I know it was a very surprise Menti, so that's fine. You guys have not revised. So here I go to question number 18. So reduction of NADP plus into NADPH during the light reaction occurs in stroma because NADP reductase enzyme is located on the stroma side of the membrane. PS1 reduces NADP plus to NADPH plus H plus in the stroma. The pH of the stroma remains constant. Yes, which one is the answer? Okay, so one answer. So all of you have given the right answer. Yes, I'm pretty happy. So thankfully, yes, that's the right answer. Both A and B were right. Okay, so here we go to the last before question. So question 19 of 20. Yes, ready? So accessory pigments play no role in photosynthesis, release electrons and get oxidized. Transfer of electrons to NADPH allow plants to harvest visible light of wider range wavelength. So what is the function of accessory pigments apart from the chief pigment? Yes, quick. Yes, done. Okay, that's right. So they help in capturing more amount of light. That's absolutely right. So here we go to the last question for the evening. So question number 20 of 20. Yes, ready for the game? The last question. Here we go. Breakdown of water during photosynthesis molecule leads to the release of electron and proton, electron and oxygen, electron and proton and oxygen, electron, proton and oxygen. So photolysis of water gives you what are the end products? That is the question. Come on, make it quick. Yes, apart from chlorophyll A, which is the chief pigment. Okay. So it releases, so H2O breakdown releases H plus O2 plus your electrons. It is electron, proton and oxygen. So D is absolutely the right answer. So perfect. So ready to look into the leaderboard. So here we'll know who is the winner. So here we go. Okay, so finally Shimpi has entered the leaderboard. So very good, Shimpi. I'm really happy. Good. Okay, Hola Hope is the fastest. Good. And Bikash is yet again my winner. So thank you, Bikash, and many congratulations. So kudos, man. Very good. So Ashwita is in the second place, Sathwika third. So Archana has moved down to the fourth place. So Hola Hope, Veera Shanmugam, Grace, Dr. Shakshi, Dr. Kathy and Shimpi. So well played and thank you so much for making my Menti very interesting. So I promise to come back with a lot of more interesting Menti. So still tomorrow before that 4 p.m. again we meet and we're going to talk about molecular basis of inheritance. So it is lecture 2. So please join me for the same. So I wish I didn't disappoint you with my Menti. So this is me wishing you more and more. So have a great evening ahead. So thank you so much for joining my Menti today. So have a great evening. So take care and bye.